Happy Thursday, friends! We made it to the end of the school week and we're gonna have a fun weekend. I'm super excited for you guys. We are in Dolphin Group today. So, I'm gonna match my icon. We are ready to go. I'm gonna show you what we're doing today. Behind me, ooh, do you see these spooky ghosts? We are gonna be bowling with them. So everyone should have gotten some. And you can stack yours like so, or you can stack yours differently, however you want. And for this, you're gonna need your cups, some space that you can do your bowling, and anything round. So I have this round pumpkin. I have this round ball that lights up. Ooh. And you wanna have some friends, obviously, to help you bowl. So today I have teacher Dana bowling with us.
Friends.
Alrighty, I'm gonna get started. You guys can bowl along with us. Dana, do you want the pumpkin or the ball?
I think I would use the pumpkin.
Alright, and you guys, if you guys don't have any balls, you can even use your bodies to roll. That's really fun too. So, Dana, do you want to go first?
Ready? Set.
Nice.
I knocked him over. And I hit the camera.
Awesome, and this is really great for practicing fine motor too. Your kiddo at home can stack these. So, awesome. Alright, I'm gonna try this glow up ball. Alright, let's see what I can get. Woo! Oh! I knocked down 3 of them. Yay!
Good job.
Thanks. I'll set these up for ya. Alright. Let's see if Dana can get all of them knocked down.
Angela, can I have a turn with the bouncy ball?
Oh, of course.
Thank you.
Thanks for sharing.
I'm gonna bounce it once. Ooh, super bouncy. Are you ready? Oh, I missed it. Bummer
Oh,
snap.
no worries. I'm gonna try rolling with my left hand. So we're gonna practice doing it with different hands. Let me try. Alright. Whoop. Nice. And so basically you guys can keep doing that however long you want. I hope you guys have a really fun time bowling. And again, if you want to send pictures or videos, we would love that very much. Dana, thank you so much for playing bowling with us. And you guys have a great weekend. Bye, friends.